Hey everyone, ever wondered how YouTubers actually make money? It's not just about getting a ton of views, although that definitely helps. The most well-known way is through the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can run ads on your videos and get a share of the ad revenue. But that's just the beginning. You can also earn through channel memberships, where your biggest fans pay a monthly fee for special perks. Then there's the merch shelf, letting you sell your own products like t-shirts and mugs directly under your videos. Super chats and super stickers are another cool way for viewers to support you during live streams. So it's not just one income stream, but many. If you're thinking about starting a channel, focus on creating content you love and building a community. The money will follow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.